welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna draw mommy and a daughter hugging each other. So firstly, I'll be drawing her face, the mommy's face, okay? So I'll be drawing here. So guys, you don't draw so up. Not, you won't have a space to draw a heart. So I'm gonna draw here. Okay. Okay. So we are gonna draw her eyes now. So this is not just an oopsies, Ronaldo. So this is not an ordinary eyes, like how I draw my cute eyes. No, what happened? Oh no. Okay, good. Okay, so this is not an ordinary eyes. It is a crow's eyes. So you might be wondering, what's a crow's eyes? Well, you're gonna see it. So we just draw half a circle. Okay, half of it, and then yeah, right. All of you have been seeing that, right? Yes. And probably some of you have been doing that when it is my cute eyes used to do that, right? Yeah. Okay. So we draw a cute little smile. Oh no. Okay, cute little smile. Okay. Now I'm gonna draw like this, okay? Okay. After that, we'll go like this, okay? Okay. And then here. Nice, guys. I like the way you think. So this one, yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay, so this is okay, guys. This is a little wrong. Chironi did it wrong. So I'm supposed to be like this, and then okay, this is too short, too hard. This one is too hard for me. Okay. Now this one we're gonna do the same as the mother. Okay. So okay, nice. And then okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so I still have space. Okay. So then now, after we're gonna draw here. Why don't stop there? I can just some skulls here. Nice. And then. Okay, so we don't all the way just draw. Cannot. Wrong. So now I'm gonna draw for this. I'm gonna draw here. Okay, and then go all the way here. Nice. And then draw here and here. Okay. Then now I'm going to draw. Okay, so that was not supposed to do that. Okay, I think that is okay. Now we're gonna draw like this. Okay. Then now we draw here. and then this. Big. Bit. I accidentally. What am I drawing? Okay. Not so long. Oh my god. Okay, this is about good. Then I'm gonna use this. Oh, I have forgotten about her hair here. And then wait, this one. And then here. Okay. So this is getting harder and harder. I'm sweating already. And I think here can. Nice. Okay. Okay, so this part I have to erase. And put it okay. Nice. And then here also. What's erase here? Nice. Okay, after that. Okay. So now done already. So now since we have already done, here we're gonna go back again. Okay, it goes a little bit up. Okay. And then don't forget how here. And then now for the girl. Okay, now, oh my god. Now we draw a heart here. Okay, so I think that's it for now. And let's draw a nice heart here. Okay, so thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment below what you have seen, and guess what day is tomorrow. And comment below what else should I draw. Bye bye. And don't forget, part 2, I'm gonna color this. Okay, bye bye. Oh, don't forget the heart here. This is nice. Bye.